Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bath& Body Works Hyaluronic Acid Hand Cream. This is a 1 fluid ounce cream that comes in a squeezable tube. This cream moisturizes real well, absorbs into the skin and doesn't leave your skin feel greasy. You can see it's a bit of a thick cream. Rubs in real well, hydrating, and it has a really good smell to it, a pleasant smell. So I highly recommend this cream that you can have on your person, in your pocket, or in your purse, so you can keep yourself from being ashy and having dry skin, cracking. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope this